Hello and welcome back to Life with Wendy, and I just wanted to do a review on my Consuela bag. It is the Consuela Cluch. I've had it for a while, I just haven't toted it. It is a clutch, but I did add a strap to it. I added a few things to it. I added this bow to it. I just clipped a bow on there like that, and then I added this to the zipper part, so then I attached my strap to that. This is a thing from Bath and Body Works. I just attached it to that, and then I attached the other one to this little thing right here, and then see the clutch, this beautiful blue handle where you tote it like this, but I wanted to tote it with a strap, so I just added the strap on there myself, and I just toted it today and I already had a compliment on it, but it is like I said, it's like this inside of the bag. This Consuela, it will fit your cell phone here if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's what I have. So let's see what I have in the bag. So I have a few Mickey Mouse Band-Aids. So I'm always getting paper cuts at work. I have my car keys. And on my car keys, I just have this car fob, key fob, and I have Mickey Mouse. I have Wendy. It's just a little keychain I got in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And then I have my keychain from Street Speed that my husband ordered. And then I have my iPods. These are just the regular iPods, one generation. And then I have my work keys that goes to my, if I have to open. And then I have my keys to my filing cabinet over there. And then I have a Michael Kors wallet where I keep, I usually keep money back here. Then I keep my insurance card, debit card, and all that stuff right there. With my credit card and my Michael Kors wallet. I've had this wallet for a while. I just have a pocket on the back. And it holds a lot of cards. And then also I have some coupons from Subway that came in the mail today. Have my house key with my little roll-tide elephant. Got some Rolaids in case I have heartburns. And it also has another zipper on the side. And it also says, make today ridiculously awesome. And it has a card holder there and a card holder there. And then a zipper pocket here. I don't have anything in there. But this has their market. That's the inside of the bag. It's sparkly. And then this strap that which they do sell straps that you can add to it. But this is my Duty and Burke shoulder strap off one of my Studebaker purses. I just added on here. So yeah, this is what all fits. It'll fit a little bit more than that, but it actually fits this plus my cell phone. So everything goes in there really nice, easy and smooth. It's not heavy. And that's all I usually carry anyway. It's got a little weight on it, but not much. But yeah. You can see the sparkles. And see how they add the colors and stuff to the bag. Very, very well made bag. Very well made zipper. Yeah. So if you want, I can put the description of this and the name of this bag down below, and then I'll also I'll link their website down below as well. So if you want these bags, these are going fast, so I would hop over there and check them out. And there you have it. All this fits in your bag. All this fits in your bag, plus your cell phone. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hit that notification bell so you can get notifications next time I post a video, so you can keep updated on my videos and keep caught up on my videos, and hit the thumbs up video if you like the video, and then subscribe. It's free. Subscribe.